Hi everyone, today I am with Mr. Pankaj and sir, I would like to ask you a few questions about your participation and the products that you all have showcasing today at IMTEX 2022.
Yeah, IMTEX is a great show for anybody who's in the engineering industry for assembly of whether it's machines or vehicles or any sort of assembly or machine making. This is a god of engineering fairs, I would say.
And what are you all showcasing as products today?
So we are showcasing the products which help the fabricators to specialized hardwares which are used for their assembly and for their machine building. It might be used in vehicles, or it will use it in aerospace, in the railways, high-end electronics, and lots of stuff. Basically, it's a generic type of hardware, but specialized hardware which are used to make high-end and high-quality machineries and everything.
Alright. And what are you expecting out of this particular IMTEX?
See, generally, since we are taking part in IMTEX from many years, so having been polished through many years, no, we don't go for any specific outputs like today we have to get this business or something. It's just like building our brand name and just spreading our name and what all we can showcase. And so then the customers will keep that in their memory and their experience, and they'll come back to us. So we are there in this industry for more than 28 years. So we just keep here a stall for presence and to get in touch with all our old customers who are pan-India. So they can always check what all the new products we have and what can make India more competitive when compared in the global field. Today you see German cars, you see German equipment, you see US telecom giants and all. They are giants for the products because they use the right products. And here in India, earlier it was a lot of jugaad-like hardware. So, so we are not able to compete. If they use the right hardware, the right joining technologies, we can beat them ever. If you make something in India and you make something overseas, you will not be able to identify which is German or which is India. So the right attitude, right hardware, right technique to manufacture and right mindset, we can win and we can make Modi's Make in India project a success.